On today's video, we're going to look at seasonal tendencies for ethanol futures. Before I get started, please pay attention to the risk disclaimer at the bottom. If you're contemplating trading futures, there are risks involved and only risk capital should be utilized. So please heed this disclaimer. Thank you. Okay, so Capital Commodity Services, we've been around since 1983. Our website is ccstrade.com. If you go to quotes and charts, future seasonal charts, and as you can see, we've got all the seasonals for the major commodities here that you could look at. For today's review, we're going to look at ethanol futures. You click on ethanol and it prompts to a 5-year, 10-year, and 15-year seasonal along with the current price. So the black line is the current price in the early March of 2017. The red is the 5-year, the green is the 10-year, and the blue is a 15-year seasonal. So what does that mean? Well, it means that prices have a tendency on average to move in the direction of these seasonals throughout the year. How's that calculated? We take the average going back 5 years. So for a 5-year, we'd go 2012, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We'd take the average. We'd take the prices for each day on that date. We'd average them and plot them on this chart, and it'll project out how this ethanol contract traded over the last 5 years. We go back 10 years, do the same calculation, it goes back 10 years, and then the blue line 15 years, we do the same calculation. So, how do you utilize this for trading purposes? Well, what I like to do first is see if the seasonal's in line with the actual price. So, to me, this isn't a perfect study at all, but I like to see that these lows here for the seasonals don't really coincide with these lows. So if you shift these over and move them just a little bit over here, it's more in line with the pattern of making a low, going up into these seasonals, and then coming down into these, and then after early March, the ethanol contract seems to move higher on all three time frames, 5-year, 10-year, and 15-year, into early May time frame. So does that mean since it's early March you just buy them? I would not just buy any contract based on the seasonal. It's good insight to know that they like to rally during this time frame. It doesn't mean they will this year. So I would utilize some kind of reversal pattern or technical analysis or a combination of the two before I'd enter into a long trade on ethanol based on the seasonal contracts. Now, I have compiled a list of 10 must-see trading rules that will help you enter using these seasonal charts. I compiled this list over my 35-year trading career, and if you follow these rules, it will help your trading. So, trade smarter, get the rules, there's no obligation. Sign up, click the show more button below, and give us your email address, and we'll share them to you via email. We've got a whole lot more to offer. We've got historical charts, every chart of every commodity of every year, every month, going back to 1959 in some instances. Our seasonal charts, spread charts where you could spread corn against soybeans, cattle against hogs, gold against silver, anything you want. You can create a chart for it. And then our live streaming quotes and charts will provide any time frame live from 1 minute to 5 hours. It's all there, and we've got a ton of research, including trade recommendations and our signal scanner trades. It's all here. Check us out at ccstrade.com. I hope you, and sign up for the rules at the end. I hope you found the video beneficial. Thank you.